In this video of HTML, we will be looking at HTML colors. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names or with RGB, hex, HSL, RGBA or HSLA values. So let's look at color names. In HTML, a color can be specified by using a color name. HTML supports 140 standard color names. So let's look at a simple example of how to set background color. You can set the background color for HTML elements. So first of all, let's create a project file and I'll call it htmlcolors.html. And so we have the example of setting HTML background color of h1 tag to DodgerBlue. So I'm going to do the same. Style, background color, and I'm going to DodgerBlue and I'm going to say hello. So this is one h1 tag and I'm going to create another paragraph tag and give background color tomato and column and say lorem ipsum. Close the paragraph tag, save the file, go to the console, and I'm going to run it with Google Chrome. So HTML colors, and there we are. You can see we have the DodgerBlue background for the h1 tag and we have the tomato color background for the paragraph tag. So this is a basic example of setting background colors of HTML elements. Next is text color. You can set the color of text. So let's have one h1 tag and two paragraph tags. Okay, we can have h1 style color and I can set it to tomato, and okay, this is tomato color, and then we can have the paragraph and I can set it to DodgerBlue. Okay, and this is DodgerBlue, Dodger color. Okay, and third one we can set as MediumSeaGreen. So color medium sea green, and I can say this is medium sea green. And let's close the tag, save the file, go to the browser. You can see we have tomato color heading, we have Dodger color paragraph, and we have MediumSeaGreen paragraph. So that was an example of setting text colors of HTML elements. Similarly, we can have border colors and set to HTML elements. So let's create three h1 tags and set border colors. So what I can do is border 2 pixel and solid tomato. So for the second I can have, just remove these, copy this, paste this, and so 3 times, and we can set tomato to DodgerBlue and we can set this to violet color. Okay, save the file and I can say tomato, this is DodgerBlue. Okay, this is DodgerBlue and this is violet. Okay, save the file, go to the browser. You see we have a very nice border around the h1 tag and DodgerBlue and violet color. All these three are h1 tags. So basically this was an example of setting border colors to HTML values. In HTML, colors can also be specified using RGB values hex values, HSL values, RGBA values, and HSLA values. So let's look at an example of setting a background color using RGB RGB encoding. So okay, copy this, set this, and you can say background color, and we can have RGB and 2559971 and RGB colors. Save the file, the browser. You see we have the RGB colors, and next we can have the hex colors. Let's copy this and paste it here, and I'm going to use the hex color FF6347. Save the file, and hex colors, save the file, go to the browser, refresh it. See, we have the same color but with the hex code. So you can change the hex code. So I'm going to change it to 666. That should be a gray one. Yeah, it's gray. So, and then we have HSL value. HSL is hue, saturation, and light. So okay, let's save this file, go to the browser, and see we have HSL but we have the same color settings. So I'm going to change it to 50. Save the file. You see we have a yellow background color now because I changed the HSL primary value to 50 instead of 9. Similarly, we can have a fourth parameter as an argument in the RGBA value to set the opacity or alpha density of the background color. You can see we have set the colors with RGBA and HSLA. So that's it for this training about HTML colors. See you next time with a new topic in HTML. Till then, bye.